Yo guys, in this video, I'm going to be taking it to the marketing aspect of the online making money hustle. You guys know how to do it. I come over here on the internet and I give you guys breakdown review on different ways you can actually make money from your home. Now, in today's video, we're gonna be looking at a method which you can use something like TikTok marketplace or some other marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and so on and so forth, to actually make money from the comfort of your home without having to spend a single dime. Now, I've actually gone ahead to create a little demo for this particular video to show you guys exactly how you can create something amazing just because you're able to think about it. Now, before we go any further, I would like to say that I myself am not an artist. I don't have a very huge passion in artistry job or anything. I'm just a normal person like you. Most of you out there who don't really know much about artists, right? But I'm sure by the time you see what I'm about to present to you, you are definitely gonna be able to at least fancy it to some extent, right? But enough of that, let's go ahead and see exactly what we're gonna be doing in this video. So, brief overview before we go ahead and get started. I'm going to be showing you a platform where you're going to be able to create a product. Then you market that product in places like TikTok, right? Or eBay or Amazon or places like that. And then when you market this product over there, you sell it and you make money from there. Now, mind you, you do not need to spend a single fund or anything purchasing that product, right? The person that's buying it will just go straight to buy it, and then the company that is going to send it to them are gonna pay you your own money. Now, mind you, you're the one that will set the price of what you want to sell that product. For example, the company might mark their cap price for that product to be like maybe $5, right? And then you sell that product for like $30. The company will only take out $5, which is their own money. It doesn't matter whether you sell that product for $1,000, right? The company will take only their money and they will give you the rest. That's basically how this is gonna work, right? Now, if you're actually interested or if you're actually excited about this and you want to really know exactly how to do this, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Like I said, this video is not going to be about cryptocurrency, right? We're going to be looking at marketing aspect in this video. I want to take you guys through different ways. You don't really have to just focus on cryptocurrency when it comes to making money online. But regardless, this is gonna be just a few minutes, right? So I'm not really gonna waste your time at all, right? Then after that, we can probably maybe in the next video or some other time, we'll look at how we can be able to, go into more details about this whole thing if you finally show interest in this video. So for you to actually tell me that you're actually interested in something like this, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get it going. So quickly, let's move to the platform we're gonna be using for this, okay? So this is actually a preview of some of the products I've already created, right? So this is actually a t-shirt. You can create other type of products as well. It doesn't have to be a t-shirt, right? So this is a simple design. You can see whatever however here we'll have just a design that says give me, and then we'll have be fit, be fresh, and be fly. I call that FFF. Trust me, it didn't take me a minute to be able to think about FFF. I was just like, okay, so what am I gonna call, or am I just gonna bring that out of my head right now that's gonna sound tush? And I said FFF. And I thought, okay, so what's gonna be FFF? I thought fit, fresh, fly, fancy, flashy, stuff like that. But I was like, no, let me take three, right? I chose fit, fresh, and fly. It sounded nice to my mouth and I took it, right? Now, I know you might not really fancy this white color, right? You might look at this and be like, oh, this is just a white color and I don't really like it. But guess what? Let's switch it to red. It makes more sense, right? Now, obviously, you can see that the dragon logo on this is not the same with the one over here, right? You can always use the same logo, but the reason why they're not the same is because this is actually an AI-generated image in this same platform. I didn't actually spend a dime to create this image, right? An AI-generated image and a background removal. I applied to this. You can see that the dragons are completely different, not just the color, but the actual dragon itself, right? And you can see over here, the back of my clothes, it says FFF at the bottom. You can see over here the same guy wearing the clothes. And you can see that the red looks fly. I mean, if you look at this, it's actually nice if you ask me. But that's it. Some people might prefer white, right? While some people might prefer red. That's just it, okay? So So just to briefly show you what this design process looks like, let's just go ahead and go to the edit design. And quickly, you can see that it doesn't really look much fun, right? We just have this over here. We have the front side, we have the back side, we go to the red color, we have the back side, and we have the front side. But guess what? Let's go to the preview, right? And boom, it's looking fresh, it's looking fly, right? It becomes so amazing that when they print this, it's basically gonna look something like this, right? With a very popping, nice popping red, right? Because I'm actually the one that's able to select the color for the clothes and the color for every single thing I'm putting over here. I have the opportunity or the ability to change everything. Okay, so one of the ones I actually like the most is this lady's clothing, the lady's mock-up. Actually, if I were to market this clothes, I'm actually gonna market it with this lady for sure, because I mean, I think she looks really nice on this clothes, especially the red one, right? So let me show you the white one as well. So let's save products and go ahead and see what the white one is gonna look like. Okay, so quickly let me go ahead and switch this to white, and then let's go to preview. And this is the preview for white as well. And over here, this is actually how the lady looks in the white. I don't know for you, but for me, I preferred her in the red, right? But if you prefer her in the white, I mean, it's also there. But basically to me, I'm literally gonna market the red more, because I think that the red is more fly, you know. I think it's more nice, and you know, it has a lot of nice pictures. Well, this lady didn't really give me the impression of having her in the mock-up, but you know, this one really looks nice, and this dude as well looks fly, honestly. So that's actually it. I'm just showing you guys you know, a few stuff like that. You can just take these images and use it for your marketing. You can switch this as well to realistic, you know, to be like a report. There's really not much different. You might be able to notice some difference on the lady, right? But I mean, why do that when you can use the actual nice colors to market your business? So basically, all you have to do is to come to this platform. The platform is called Printify. You can see it over there, printify.com. Now, I'm not gonna go into the details on how I created this whole thing. If you guys are interested on that, I'm gonna make a video on that, a dedicated video. It might be a little bit long, right? But you know, gonna go step by step, and you'll be able to understand every single thing. Just let me know in the comment section. Go ahead and comment. I'm interested in the comment section, and give the video a thumbs up, and so go ahead and subscribe to the channel to be able to know whenever I drop new videos just like this. Okay. So once you've done that, depending on how many of you that thumbs up on that, I'm gonna be able to, you know, proceed on that. Now, here's what I want to show you before I leave, right? So after you're done with the designing, here's where another magic happens, right? Now they have the paid partial plan of this, and they have the free plan of this. I'm using the free plan because over here it says at the top, get the premium. I don't really want to get the premium right now. With the free plan, you'll be limited to amount of products you can or services you can use per month, right? But it doesn't really mean anything. I mean, all you need is one product per month. You get one product, and then if you want to put money into it, you run ads on the product. If you don't want to put money into it, just market the product on your social media. For that whole month, you don't really need to create another one, right? That's just basically that. Now, once you're done creating your mock-up or whatever you want to call that with your design, right? The platform itself automatically gives your clothing a name, right? It gives it a name automatically, gives it a description automatically. Now it gives it this based on the text you added in there, right? Now, mind you, you don't have to use any of this. You can edit any of this you want, right? You can change the title of the clothing. You can I mean, minimal snake dragon illustration does not make sense to me, so I'll probably go ahead and, you know, let's just say fill it, fly it, and fresh it. I don't think fit it is gonna make sense here, right? So I'll just say fill it, fly it, and oh, I think we should put a comma right there, and fresh it, right? I can just put this as a name. I mean, it doesn't really matter what you put as a name, right? And then over here, they give you a description. You can go ahead and, you know, edit this description as well if you want to. right? You can see the product features. Now, this product features that is added here automatically is gonna be added automatically as well on the image describing your product, right? So I'm gonna show you guys the image in a bit. And over here is that we're gonna be able to set up the prices. Right now, it's telling me that the $30 for this is kind of high for this type of products that people are already selling, right? Now it's giving me an estimation of what people are likely selling this product. Now at the middle over here it says what? 24.9. Now mind you, when I created this account using the US account, United States as a country, so it's kind of a bit high. I mean, they say over here that they're gonna be selling this to me at 18 to 23.25, which is kind of a bit expensive, right? You see over here, costs include production expenses, Etsy, transaction fees, and listing fees. Shipping costs are excluded by default, as buyers pay for shipping separately. However, if you offer free shipping, the shipper's shipping cost will be added to your cost, so you will need to adjust your retail price accordingly. Now over here they are saying that what they are estimating, if I'm to sell this at this rate, right? So I don't really understand exactly what the calculation they did here, this particular calculation, because I mean they did not give us a breakdown, right? But over here they're saying that if we were to sell this over here at this price, then the estimated profit is gonna be this, right? That's the one at the down, not the one at the top over here. That's the estimated profit per clothes that we sell. Now, they already said that this is actually a bit too costly for this price, but I mean, you can try selling that. But literally, if you choose another country that's not United States, I think there's literally a way for you to be able to minimize this cost, because this wasn't this expensive before, but somehow it's becoming a lot expensive as well. And let's see, let's edit prices and see. Let's just put something like 27, and over here let's put 27. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's just go ahead and click on apply. $27, apply, and see what's gonna happen right here. Okay, so let's go back and see what our profits are gonna look like. So a quick overview, you can see that profit has reduced to 3.75 to 8.99 per cloth. Now, to some people, this is actually a good deal, right? Some people, it is not. Now, if you created something that is so nice or so impressive, you can actually go as well and sell that for as high as up to, let's say, $45. I've seen clothes selling for $45 on platforms like Amazon. I mean, I'm sure you would have seen that as well, and you'll be able to make up to $21.75 and $26.99 to $26.99 for every single cloth you sell. That is really nice, actually. Now, if I click on optimize, it's going to optimize it automatically and give you a good price, but I don't think that makes sense. I mean, who's going to be selling clothes for $1 per cloth, right? So to me, I think the best price to put this is going to be at $30 per cloth. So each and every single cloth you sell, you're making up to $6 to $11.99 for a single cloth, and that's basically it. So the last thing to do is to go ahead and connect your store, right? So all you have to do to get that is go ahead and click on connect store, and it's gonna go ahead and pop you up to different platforms. You're gonna see we have TikTok, we have eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, Big. So if you have your own personal website as well, you can also put it there. But I mean, you have to run ads, you know. I mean, all these things you can run ads if you really want to, if you want to put money into it, right? You can have a target. Maybe you want to run ad for like a $100 ad per day, and your sale target is about, let's see, if you run $100 ads and sell up to 10 at a profit of $6, I mean, it's not up to $100. So that's gonna be $60. So that's gonna be at a loss, right? So for you to run $100 ads, you're gonna be looking to make at least $120 in a single day from this. Meaning that $20 is gonna be your gain from that particular market, but as well, it's still not high enough. It's still too little. So basically, some people can run out of $50, some can run out of $30 per day, right? Depending on how much money you really want to put into this. Okay, so that's actually it. And if you don't want to put money into this, don't really put money at all. You can also keep on marketing and posting these pictures as well in your social medias, right? You can go to platforms where they create mockups and go ahead and just use your images right here, the images of the clothes, just the way it is right here, or this one right here, or this one, or this one, just the clothes, not the humans, the clothes, and you create a mock-up using that clothes on different individuals and post it on social media, or maybe even use AI to post the clothes on yourself, right? You can also do that, post the clothes on yourself and use AI to make it look good on yourself and post it on social media, fly it on social media, and see how people respond to that and see if you are really gonna selling it and stuff like that. So eventually, as you keep on doing this, you'll be able to know the best ways to do it and how to make a lot of money from it as well, without really having to spend a lot of money. So there's still a lot to discuss about this. Actually, I've not even scratched the surface actually, but already know this video is already up to 16 minutes right now. So I'm gonna be ending the video right here. And hopefully you are actually excited about something like this. And once I'm done, all I have to do is to publish. And once I publish, all I have to do is to start marketing my product, whether by running ads or by marketing it via organic clicks, right? So that's just it. Okay, so I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and do comment. I'm interested for the upcoming video concerning this particular topic. See you in the next one. Take care.